Good morning students. Students, in this week we will see the revision part. Okay. So today here this chapter 13 revision measurement of weight. So students, in the regular chapter also we learn about the measurement of weight. In this chapter we already learn about the different units. So mainly here if I say that the smallest unit, so smallest unit of weight, this milligram, gram and kilogram are there, three units. Okay, but milligram is the smallest unit, but in class 3 we learn about gram and kilogram. Only two unit we learn in this chapter, that you go thoroughly. Okay, but for your information I tell you about this milligram is the smallest unit for measuring weight. Now just in class 3 here we focus about this gram and kilogram. Okay, now in this chapter what we learn first, that which are the things that we consider in gram and kilogram. That means if the objects are given, so which unit is appropriate for this, what the picture is given, what the object we take for the measurement of the weight. Okay, that means are you able to do this? Okay, next thing what we learn, that estimate its weight. The object is given or the sum here. If I take this, I want to weight this box. Okay, the box. So which unit I will use for it? So that means gram or kilogram. Can I say that this box weight is 100 kilogram? No. This is weight approximately 200 gram. Okay. That's why estimate, in the estimate always we say the approximate. But yes, you are confirm for the which unit we use. We can't say that this pencil box or this weight of this chair is in the gram. No, that time we use the unit kilogram. Okay, weight of this bench. So we estimate this weight, but which unit we use, that we can say kilogram. Okay, the same thing student, in which object we use that gram, the small object, the weight, not small object in the sense of that light weight. That means if we compare between the two weight, two object, that time we say that which are the lighter weight, that we use the unit gram rather than heaviest. Okay, so for the heaviest we used kilogram. Now here I list out few the questions, that through the few questions we will cover the whole chapter. Now what we learn, first estimate, then the next is which, yes, the previously which are the tools they use, how they measure the weight. So previously what happened, they take any stone, yes, so the weight of the stone, that they assume that for the 100 gram, so they use for the stone different size of the stone. So the heaviest stone is for kilogram and the small they used for the gram. Now nowadays we have seen so many digital weighing machines are available, but the standardized tool, if we talk about the standardized tools, what are the standardized tool we use to measure the weight? So first is beam balance. As you know, in your textbook also, if you see the page number 145, then spring balance also there, then digital weighing machines also there. So nowadays in supermarket and the mall they are using, the majority time nowadays people are using for this digital weighing machines. Now students, then after we learn about, yes, expansion form. So if in the question is asked 5 kilogram, you write in the expansion form, or if the expansion form is given, and in this expansion form it may be given gram or kilogram, yes, that we learn, okay. Otherwise 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, and that 1000 gram also you can write in the expansion form of the gram, that we learn, okay. Then after we learn in the multiplication fact also, are you able to write this unit whatever the given, that also we will cover this question. And the last point is find out the sum of weight and the difference of weight. And the last topic of this chapter is word problem. That means in day-to-day life activity where we use the measuring the weight. In the, yes, obviously when you are going for the supermarket and you purchase the things, your items, so that list out this item, but here we are not taking more than 2, we take only 2 to object that weight and we find the sum of the weight. So students, here we start our revision questions.